Today I am at Guhring, a cutting tool manufacturer based in Birmingham, to see how they produce special tools on site. We will follow the complete process from consultation with the customer to identify the tooling solutions, right through design, manufacturing and testing the delivery of the finished tool. Special tools can offer cost and time savings, and we will show you how Guhring offer this amazing service, all here in the UK. Stephen, out at the CAD station, what's taking place here?
So we've had our initial meeting with the customer. It's now going through to a concept design stage where it will be ready for drawings, then ready for manufacture.
So Dave, this is part of your manufacturing facility here in Birmingham. What products do you make?
In general, we're manufacturing drills, milling cutters, reamers, but now we're also making bodies for the PCD side of the factory.
And for the client who's in today, what product are you making?
Yeah, today we're actually making a multi-step drill and a multi-step reamer. So the concept of this is to try and speed up the process so we can do a number of operations with one tool.
So we're doing everything here from design through to coating and prove out at the end?
Yeah, exactly. We can design the tool here. We've got a talented team of engineers, so we can design the tool, we can draw it, we can put it on CAD, we can 3D print it, and finally we can manufacture it.
And we're here in the UK?
Yep.
Are these tools being made for the UK?
Predominantly, yes. I would say 95% of all the work we do is for the UK market, but we do some work for our subsidiaries, for Germany, for example.
So just to conclude from the manufacturing perspective, it's an advantage being made here in the UK?
Oh, absolutely, because we can do all aspects of the manufacture of the tool. We do it all under one roof. So right through from the production of the carbide, which is done in Germany, right through to testing the tools, everything can be done in the UK.
So Dave, has your demand for specials increased recently?
Well, not just recently, Joe, but certainly since we've been in the place. We moved in 2.5 years ago now, which is incredible because it doesn't feel anything like that amount of time. But during that 2.5 years, we've seen a steady growth in specials. It's a little bit like anything. When you've got the resource to do it, more people are attracted to it. The more people that actually come to visit the place generates more interest, and there again, more business.
And there's a new addition since my last visit.
Yeah, the plan was that we were going to be growing the machines over the years. Bit of stability initially because we did have 3 new machines when we came into the place. The plan was that we had a new UP machine that was due to come in originally around November. We were able to pull that forward because we had the demand for tooling that we needed to get done, so ideal.
And that's purely down from increased client demand?
Absolutely right, definitely so. As I said before, the more we generate business with the customers, the more that we need to try and keep that business in the UK as well. And the more we can do here, the better.
I know Guhring, you've been known as servicing a lot of automotive clients. You continue to do so, but you're doing it for other sectors as well?
Yeah, definitely so. We're doing very well with the medical industry at the moment and into aerospace as well. A lot of the tools that we made were from Germany, but we've been able to do a lot more of those in the UK now. And that's the plan. And we've got obviously room to be able to increase machines and we've already got them in place to go, so looking good.
We're here at the coating department. What coatings do you do here at Guhring?
We do a wide range of coatings, up to about 10 different types. So typically your fire coating, your tin coating, Super A, Endurum, Signum. So there's coatings for a range of different materials.
So why so many? Why do you offer so many?
Good question. Because there's so many different materials in industry, there's always a different coating for a different material. But not only that, for different tools, you would apply a different coating.
Do you have any coatings here that are unique to Guhring? I know a lot of companies have similar coatings, but do you have any unique technology?
We have a new coating, in fact, called the Congressor coating. Now, this is a zirconium nitride base coating with a Signum base layer. So what you have here is a very soft top layer coating, so you don't get edge buildup, but you have the hardness of the Signum underneath it. So that was actually introduced for the medical industry. So they are looking to dry machine now So with the dry machining, you always get a problem with edge build-up, and the Zenit coater helps to prevent that.
What percentage of tools roughly get coated that are made here?
Quite a high range, in fact, I would say. I would probably say about 60–70% get coated. But we do a lot of tools in the automotive industry, which are aluminium, so not so many coatings here. But general purpose, yes, I would say a high percentage for general purpose.
So Steve, finally we're here in your tech centre. You've got a turning centre and a machining centre. What typically happens in here?
We have this is multiple use for us, Joe. It's for instance, on our Acura lathe, we've developed our PCD steel tooling bodies on here, which we will implement now out onto the shop floor. We do a lot of customer projects in here, which is one at the moment we're just doing for one of our customers.
And you've just got involved with 3D printing and additive manufacturing.
Absolutely, Joe. It's a real benefit to us to have this on site in our technical centre. We can actually show the customer the concept of design before we actually go ahead and make it.
And you're getting involved in metal as well. But I see there's a customer here today. What was happening there?
Well, we've been working on a customer project now for the last couple of weeks. He wanted us to prove out the concept for him. He didn't have time on it within his production. So now we've made the tools and we've tested them in-house for him in our technical centre.
And he's signed the process off, and presumably now you're selling the tools?
Absolutely, yeah. So we've gave him a good cost benefit to his business as well.
So you mentioned a cost saving. How big was the saving, and more importantly, how have you quantified that saving?
Well, we run a software called CutView, so we can benchmark the customer's current process against the new process that we want to implement. Then in this particular case, we've given the customer a 60% cost saving, give the customer a 60% cost saving, I might add. And obviously that's added value for him and us. I mean, that's a great benefit, Joe, here at Guhring. We've got everything under one roof. And as you can see, we can, from an inquiry level, we can also prove the concept as well. And it's all managed under one roof.